What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to find Sui address in MetaMask wallet. So you might be wondering, where do you get your Sui address here? Well, this one is very easy. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to open up MetaMask. So you want to go ahead and open up your extension here. And in this case, at the top right here, you have the three-dotted option. Let's go and click on it. Now from here, you want to open up Snaps here. And you want to go and just choose the option here. It says Discover Snaps. Now from here, what we need to do is you want to go to the top right here to click on search snaps and just type in Sui. Just press enter. You should see Sui here. Click on it so that you should be able to view it. But once you are viewing your the Sui option here, just click on add to MetaMask. And it's going to say third-party software notice. So you just need to go to the very top bottom here, click on accept. But obviously, if you want to read through that, you can go ahead and just do it. So you have your connection request here. So let's go and approve that. Let's go and click on connect. And in here, it's going to say add to MetaMask here. So information, go ahead and click on see all permissions if you want, but let's go and click on confirm. And in here, we have the option to install Sui. Let's go and click on the checkbox next to it, click on confirm. And it's going to say installation complete. Let's go and click on OK. And from here, it's going to say installed. Continue to Sui's website to get started with this snap. Let's go and click on suisnap.com. It should open up another tab here, which in this case, what we need to do is we just need to click on install MetaMask. And from here, it should open up MetaMask here. But in this case, let's go just reload this real quickly. And it should actually pop this up. So in this case, let's just reload it. So by the way, if you have like multiple extensions that you're using for starting your wallet, or in this case, different platforms, you want to go and just choose whichever one. Let's go and choose MetaMask. Let's go and click on connect for MetaMask here. Now, by the way, if you only see the download MetaMask here, you might need to reload your actual page, so go ahead and just do that. But yeah, so once you click on the connect button there, it should give you a pop-up here, which in this case, it's going to ask you if you want to connect your wallet or your MetaMask account into Sui. So just go ahead and approve that. But once you approve that, this is what you'll be seeing. So in here, you should be able to see your wallet. So in this case, you should see your address here at the very top. So in the section here. So you just click on the copy button or click on that actual address to copy that. And from then on, that should be your address or your Sui address here. But in this case, that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.